Hello everybody. Today I would like to demonstrate how to find practice questions for the science portion of CAASPP. By the way, abbreviation CAASPP stands for California Assessment of Students' Performance and Progress. High school students participate in this assessment during their junior year. So I believe it's a good idea to get familiar with the test questions as well as with the way the test is administered. So let's go ahead and type in CAASPP Science Practice Questions in Google search bar. CAASPP Science Practice Questions. Test questions. Let's go ahead and click right here. Online practice and training test portal web page. Okay, let's go ahead and click on this one. So let's try to go to student interface, practice training test. Okay, so we're gonna sign in as guests. Let's select the grade, 11th grade. And if we scroll down, we should be able to find science test. Here, let's click on this. So it tells you about presentation, literacy assistance resources, assistive technology, visual assistance. So we will go ahead and select. We're gonna do a sound test. Continue. Help guide. This is what I wanted us to see. Okay, so here's the bar. So here we have navigation buttons. We can go forward, backward. You will see a question drop box. If you want to pause the test, you will click on this one. And as you end the test, you need to press on this stop sign. Now, while you're taking a test, I want you to know that you will have access to periodic table, formulas, a calculator, highlighter, zooming in and out buttons. And then you have a context menu and help button. Okay, so let's go back and begin the test. So it shows that we have 51 questions. By the way, you can click on a question. Let's say, read the question, answer it, and then you can also go back to it. So you can always say, save it, so you can go back to it. So let's read this. The leaf beetle, Chrysomela anicolis, lives in a Sierra Nevada mountain of California. Scientists studying the beetles found that exposure to high temperature during the summer, when eggs are laid and the larvae are developing, causes physiological stress. The impact is on metabolic enzyme and heat shock protein expression. One allele PGI4 increased in frequency in a beetle population that was exposed to hotter, drier summer in the Sierra Nevada mountains. Complete the sentence about this change by selecting the correct words from the menus. If the temperatures in a Sierra Nevada mountain continue to increase, the frequency of the PGI4 allele is expected to, and here's the drop box. So increase, decrease. Let's say you choose increase as a result of, and then you have choices: genetic drift, gene flow, natural selection, artificial selection. Let's go with genetic drift. And then we'll want to say save, and then go to next question. And again, you will read the question carefully, look at the graph, If you need to zoom in, maybe make your graph larger by zooming in. Go down and make sure you read the questions and you have a couple of choices. You're going to pick one of them. I didn't read the question, but let's say we did this. Make sure that you go through the whole page because sometimes they have more than one question on a page. Okay, and then let's say I didn't see that there's more than one question on a page and I'm moving on. So it's going to say you must answer all the questions on this page before moving to next page. Okay, you may have to scroll down to see all questions. So click OK, scroll down. Oh, there are more questions. So read and answer, then move on to next one. If you need to take a break, you can click on pause and tell the proctor that you need to use the bathroom or get some water, whatever you need to do. Like I said, you have the periodic table right here. So you can see your periodic table right here. Let's see what kind of information is given. Oh, they even tell you atomic number, average atomic mass. So you have the legend. If you close this, you have access to formulas. Okay, so there are the formulas right here. Especially students that have been taking physics, they need these formulas. Okay, we'll close this. You have a calculator as well. Okay, I guess calculator usually opens up with certain questions, so I don't know why it did it. Oh, there it is. We do have access to that as well. Okay, so line reader. All those features are going to help you to answer the questions. And like I said, you can always go back to ones that you saved and make sure you give a little bit more time for those questions. All right, thank you very much. Good luck. Please practice. I'll see you in class. Bye.